Hey guys, this is Mohsin from CG Spectra. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a sand material in Blender. So this is the default scene, and first delete the cube, add a plane, tap into edit mode and scale this 9 times by pressing S9 and enter. Now subdivide W and subdivide. Make the number of cuts to 10 and tap back into object mode. Now switch to camera view and let's reposition the camera. GZ 7 for top view and grab this back and back into camera view. Okay, so let's now select this lamp and go to properties of the lamp and select the sun. Decrease the strength to 3 and change the color about 0.8 for R, 0.7 for this, and about 0.3 or 3/4 for blue. So next thing is split this window, change this one to note editor and split this again, change this one to UV image editor and this one to rendered viewport shading right here, or just simply press Shift C. Now in note editor window, first select the plane in the outliner and select and add a material. Make sure click check mark on use nodes and add a mix shader to the plane and a glossy one. Now we have to create the wave effect to the plane, so for that we add a view texture and a texture coordinate node. Connect the output of object to the vector input of view texture and add a mapping as well, vector and mapping right here. So connect this color of view texture to the displacement of material output. Zoom that in and decrease the scale for view texture to 1. Okay, now we need some distortion in the views, so let's increase the distortion to 10 and change the direction by changing the X value in mapping, maybe more, 0.23, 0.25. okay, this looks good, but you can see this material looks too much glossy, so we will decrease the glossiness by decreasing the factor value of mix shader and increasing the roughness of glossy to about 0.5. So next thing is we need to create a sand granularity. So by adding a noise texture and connecting this vector to this vector, and for a while let's just connect this color to displacement and change this, and in the material properties select preview so that we can see it clearly. Scale this up to 80 and change the detail and distortion to 10. okay, we got a sand effect here, but we need to mix these two effects, wave and sand. So let's add a mix RGB node, color mix RGB. Disconnect this and connect this color output to color 1 and this color output to color 2, and let's connect this color output to displacement, and we got our basic sand material. but instead of connecting this to displacement, we will connect this to, we will use another node. Let's just add a bump node and connect this to normal of diffuse and glossy normals, and this color output to height input of bump. So we got the same effect as connecting this mix color to displacement material output, but we have an advantage here that we can just play with the strength. For strength of 0 we got 0 null effect, and value of 1 we got the maximum effect, so we can just change the values between 0 and 1. So this is the advantage of bump node right here. So we're almost done, except that we need to change its color. Let's add a RGB node, input RGB here, and change its color to something like this, and add a mix node, mix RGB, connect this to color 1 and connect this color output to input of glossy. Okay, so let's give it a render first. And we got a basic sand material. So if you have any questions, please post in the comments below, and please support my channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching.